Super deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We're excited to share Zakeke Software Lifetime Deal. For only $59, you can have unlimited access to Zakeke and diversify your business. Zakeke is a cloud-based, cross-platform visual e-commerce application that allows brands and retailers to offer live product customization and 3D or AR capability. It is a no-code plug-and-play solution that requires only the creation of an account and the installation of a plugin. Customers can see how a personalized, printed, or engraved product looks in 2D, 3D, and AR with Zakeke. All you have to do now is describe the components of the product that can be customized, as well as the guidelines for how your buyers can personalize it. Customers can then add text and graphics to things, as well as edit elements, choose colors, and select materials, variants, and sizes. You'll be able to demonstrate the real effects of printing techniques, including direct-to-garment printing, sublimation, and screen printing to clients. With Zakeke, the customer will be able to rotate, zoom, and examine products from any angle, simulating real-life shopping without having to go to your physical store. When they completed customizing, you will have a detailed list of what the buyer wants, and they will receive the item just as they imagine. Zakeke may be used on any device and with any custom item. It also supports over 80 languages, allowing you to conduct business around the globe. Let your customers personalize their orders. With our unique 3D shopping experience, we can turn ordinary customers into designers. Take your store to the next level. Use Zakeke. Zakeke's lifetime deal starts at only $59. You can save as much as $40 and get lifetime access to Zakeke. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Take advantage of this offer today and increase your sales revenue. Make everyone's experience one of a kind with Zakeke. Check out the link below in the description box to know more about Zakeke and access the deal. Get through our collection of current software lifetime deals, available on the top right of your screen. You will find a software solution that suits you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get our latest software deals with great discounts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.